Hello everyone, welcome to Spice Ranee Cooking Channel. I'm Jasbir and I'm here to share all my favorite recipes with you. Today I'll be cooking dal. I normally cook dal when I run out of ideas of what to cook for the family. Dal is so versatile and easy to cook. As a main, it can go with any side dish. And our household favorite is to have it with fried ikan bilis or anchovies, a fried egg with soy sauce, or even a cucumber raita. Serve it with a chapati or rice and you're good to go. There are so many varieties of dal to cook, but today I'm cooking split black chickpea or chana dal. Let's begin with the recipe. For the full list of ingredients, please check out the description box either above or below. First step is to soak the dal overnight with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Don't cover this. This process helps the dal soften faster when cooking. You don't want to be standing over a hot stove for hours. After soaking it overnight, discard the soaking liquid and wash the dal. Put the washed dal into a large pot and add 4 cups of fresh water. Cook this over medium heat till the dal softens. Add more water if needed. I added a cup of water, bringing my total to 5 cups of water overall. I placed the wooden spatula on the pot because when the dal is boiling, you will have a white foam rising. This white foam is actually the protein from the beans, and with the spatula across the pot, it actually helps to split the foam so it doesn't overflow. It did not happen this time, but trust me, it helps. Next, the aromatics. We need to prepare the onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, and chilies. We need to dice the onion. And chop the chilies and tomatoes into small pieces. As for the ginger and garlic, we are going to grate them finely. This really helps extract the rich flavors when cooking. Now for the fun part, it's time to cook. What we are doing with the aromatics is tempering them. We call this process tadka in Punjabi. Tempering is a cooking technique well used in Indian cooking. We are browning the aromatics and the spices to extract the essential oils from them. This helps to enhance the flavors before it is poured into the cooked dal. In a wok, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and mustard seeds. Cook till mustard seeds start popping. Add the diced onions and cook till they start to brown lightly. Add a little bit of salt to help draw the moisture from the onions. Next, ginger and garlic go into the mix and continue cooking till they lightly brown too. Time to add in the tomatoes and chilies into the mixture. Cook till tomatoes have melted into the tempering mixture. Add the curry powder. Here I'm using my own brand, Spice Ranee Vegetable Curry Powder, of course. a little self-promotion plug-in. I have tried and tested an array of combinations of spices and have created one that's excellent for vegetables. A perfect way to add a little spice to your cooking. Link is in the description box. Cook it till the spices are aromatic. Pour the cooked dal into the tempered mixture. Stir well and let it cook till it starts to boil. Add more hot water if needed. I recommend using hot water so you don't reduce the temperature of the overall mixture. If not, you'll be waiting even longer for it to boil. Dal curry should not be too thin or too thick. This is a special tool that I use to mash the dal with. If you don't have one, you can use the back of a ladle to do the same. I'm doing this to mash and thicken up the dal. Taste to check seasoning. Add salt if needed. Ta-da! It's done, as simple as that. Garnish with chopped coriander just before serving. This dal curry can be served with rice or chapati or even garlic bread. Good.
I like the coriander.
Do try the recipe out. See you next week.